Part 1, asking for the time. What time is it? Do you know what time it is? Do you have the time? Could you tell me the time? When do you want to meet? What time does the flight leave? How long is this flight going to take? How long will this class take? I have been waiting for half an hour. When should we be ready to go? Part 2, telling the time. It's exactly 12 o'clock. It's almost 4 o'clock. It's 9:30 a.m. It's 9:30. It's around 3:45 p.m. It's 3:15. It's 5:45 a.m. It's 12:45 p.m. The drive will take about 2 hours. Dinner is at 7 o'clock. Time is flying by. What time is it? I don't want to be late for dinner.
It's 6 p.m.
That's good. Dinner is at 7 o'clock.
What time are your friends arriving?
They said they will be here at 6:30.
They are always early. We should get ready then.
Yes, they are never late and we, on the other hand, usually are.
Tonight we will be ready in time.
Open the door.